I'd say they were pretty extra. I don't think that zip is gonna do up. So fluffy, I'm gonna die. These are my trousers. Wow, wow, wow. When it's stuck together. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're doing another wish testing video. I'm gonna be testing extra clothes. If you've seen me, if you know me, or even just if you're brand new, taking one look at me, I'm the least extra person when it comes to fashion. I wear t-shirts and jeans pretty much every single day, or like today, leggings. I've put on workout clothes and I'm not going to the gym. I barely even knew what the word extra meant. I had to look it up on Urban Dictionary. That's how down with the kids I am. I had to Urban Dictionary the word extra. It meant way over the top, excessive, dramatic, which kind of describes me, kind of, but fashion-wise, definitely not. So I headed over to Wish and had a little look for some clothing that I would deem extra. I've got a bag of stuff next to me. I'm just gonna delve in. Okay, I don't even know where to start with this. When I was shopping for these clothes, I was thinking more along the lines of what looks crazy and out there to me that really cool girls get away with wearing. That's what I was going for, because I am not one of those cool girls that can just wear anything and it looks good. So I found these. They're a pair of jogging bottoms that literally just open all down the side, and you'd find really cool girls taking photos, like crouched down on the floor wearing them. Thought I'd give them a try. Wow. They're a lot less joggerish than I thought. They're made of like silk type material, not real silk, and they're very see-through. Oh wow, they're really see-through. You put them on, they've got a nice little stripe down the side, and then they just sort of open up and you can stick your leg out. So I got these. Okay, I've put on a little crop top just so that it kind of goes with the outfit a little bit more. You know, I didn't really think my t-shirt was gonna quite cut it. Trousers are on, legs 11. I'm actually gonna do the poppers up at the sides, just here, because otherwise my pants are way too on show. And we don't wanna get demonetized now, do we? These are my trousers. What are you thinking? They're pretty comfortable. I mean, it would be weird if they weren't comfortable because they're barely on my legs. My legs are just kind of chilling out around the sides. Hi, how are you? You can obviously do them up, in which case then they just kind of turn into general jogging bottoms, and I feel like the point of these is to have your leg out. But maybe, are you meant to do up just the bottom bit, maybe? Oh, maybe that works better. I'm making this up as I go along. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. Now my legs can still pop out a little bit if they fancy, ooh, but they kind of stay on more like normal trousers. Now, for the best bit, trendy Instagram pose where people do this. Hey, oh wow, almost full bum on show. How am I looking? Did I do it? I mean, you can barely see what I'm wearing because it disappears once my leg pops out. But yeah, they're all right. Do you know what? These are not as bad as I thought. I really like doing this. It feels better than it obviously looks, but it feels really cool. They feel fine. They feel fine. I quite like these. Wow, I'm excited for these. Wow, wow, wow. I got myself some boots. Oh my goodness. Look at them. Yep, this is happening. Definitely thinking these are kind of extra. They've even got little, what are these called? I'd say they were pretty extra, although they're also extremely comfortable. And I kind of want to wear them out. Maybe by the end of this video, my fashion will change and I'll become extra. I won't, it's not happening, I can't do it. So I figured, because these are white, black and red, I thought I would pair them with my fab new trousers because they're black, white and red. Yeah, okay, we're in. Pairing these shoes with these trousers obviously wasn't a great idea because the trousers cover them. However, I'm thinking, if I undo my trousers, bam. Your thoughts, please? What are you thinking of my shoes with my trousers? Look at this. In this outfit, I feel like a whole new person. I feel like this outfit would photograph better than it looks on. Like walking around like this, I think I look quite stupid. It doesn't look good. These trousers are a bit weird with the shoes, and it just isn't the best look. But I can imagine in like the right scenery, the right background, the right pose, that you could get like a really good photo in this outfit, like with the bend down and Instagram pose. But in general, if I were to wear this downtown, it does not look that great. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Would you wear it out? Do you have anything like it? What are your thoughts? Also, these shoes, extremely comfortable. I'm actually considering finding an outfit I can wear with them because it doesn't feel like I've got heels on. The next item looks a little bit like a throw or a cushion or a teddy bear. It's so soft, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow, this is so soft. It's like a little teddy bear. Kind of a fan of this. I really like it. I don't know what I would wear it with. Maybe just a simple top and jeans, because least extra person ever, but this would make me a little bit extra. I'm actually a little bit nervous because it's so soft that I want it to fit and look good. But I feel like it might not. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, I do not like the cut of that neckline. I really don't like the cut of this neckline at all. It feels like, you know when you drape something over your shoulders and it feels like it's falling off and you want to hoik it up? Like, okay, well that doesn't look any better. I just feel like it needs to be like this, but it's just, it's making me feel really uncomfortable. I can't explain until you put it on. It feels like it's falling off my back and I want to lift it up, but it's on properly. It just feels really, really weird. I don't know why, it's making me feel horrible. This is what it looks like on. It's not comfortable at all around the shoulders. It's just making me feel really on edge. The rest of it is pretty comfortable. It fits nicely, I can move in it. It's very, very soft and I can already tell very, very warm. But I know it must seem like I'm overplaying this and being like dramatic and extra, but it just feels so wrong. It just doesn't feel nice. I don't like this and I won't be wearing it. Now this is what I would consider nightwear. This material definitely looks like I'm wearing it to bed, but in the picture she looks like she's going out for the day and it doesn't say anywhere that it's pajamas or nightwear. So I'd say this was pretty extra. You would not catch me wearing this on a general day out. Ooh, it's making my hair go all static. Can you see that? Get away. It's a little bit out there. Ooh, ooh. Has pockets, guys. It's got pockets. We all know I blooming love pockets, especially on a playsuit. That's great. Playsuit, pockets, what more can you ask for? I'm still never wearing this out the house. This looks great, doesn't it? I'm just gonna put this belt round and hopefully it'll magically look better. Nope. This is extremely comfortable. It's very soft. I can move in it. It's got pockets. It looks really nice. It looks pretty cute. It fits well. Could do with maybe a mini iron because it's a little bit creased. But, ladies and gentlemen, could I ever see myself wearing this out of the house? No. This is pajamas. It's pajamas. It doesn't say on there it's pajamas, and in the picture, she has a handbag. Wait a minute, got my handbag? Can you imagine me wearing this to town? Like the looks I would get. This is just, it's pajamas. This is pajamas. But realistically, me wearing this to town is just a no-go. Let me know if you would genuinely wear this out somewhere. Wow, I bought a lot more than I thought. What is this? Oh yeah, I remember ordering this. It's a leotard or a one piece or a body or a bodice, whatever you want to call it. It's black and it has massive frilly shoulders. I will say though, these shoulder pieces do not come out as far as they do on the image. On the image, the shoulder pieces come out to like here. So I thought, whoa, that's gonna look amazing. They don't really stick out that far, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, I have no clue whatsoever what you would wear on the bottom half with this. In the image, she's just wearing this. I don't know whether you pair it with jeans or what you pair it with. I also don't see how you couldn't wear a bra with this because it would be so much on show, but I know some girls are okay with that. I just couldn't. Maybe you could get away with a black bra in it. I'll also say that in the image, these literally came out to like here. In the image, they barely even sit past my shoulders, so that's not quite what I paid for. And it's also quite itchy inside. It's quite comfortable and I can move around and I feel quite free, but it's just quite itchy in certain areas. So around the buttons it's a little bit itchy, around these sleeves it's a little bit itchy. The mesh just isn't the comfiest. It's just not the comfortable piece of clothing, and I can't see where anyone would ever wear it. But if you could, that's great. It's just not good. Not for me. This is a crushed velvet bodycon. Oh, I see. Bodycon off the shoulder dress that I just think you've got to be a little bit brave to wear. You know? I think if you were to wear this out, you would catch a lot of people's attention because look how shimmery this is. So I've got my dress on. I don't hate it. I don't think I'd ever wear it out, and it definitely doesn't look as good on me as it does the model, but it's not a terrible item of clothing. It is very soft. It fits nicely. It's a little bit loose here, but I could obviously get a size smaller. It's actually a pretty cute little dress. I'd possibly go as far to say that this is one of my favorites, and I possibly would wear this out if the occasion were right, although maybe I do wish this was a little tighter and more bodycon, but it's not horrible. I don't hate it on me, I just think it could look a little bit better. Maybe I'm just becoming a little more extra with my outfits. Nah, I could never wear this out. What is this? I don't remember ordering this. Ooh, it feels weird when it's stuck together. Ooh, I don't know if I'm getting in this. What is this? Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I do not remember ordering this. I don't really know what this is. I logged into Wish. Turns out I did order this. It just looks a little nicer on the model. It still looks bad and I don't really know why I've ordered it. It definitely is very extra, as in pushing the limits of extra. But I don't know why I ordered it and decided I would try this on camera, because look at it. I don't really want to put this on. I really don't want to put this on. Wow! Oh wow, I don't think that zip is gonna do up. This is a struggle. I just want it to be a little bit longer. Ta-da! I'm in. I'm feeling quite sucked in. It's not the most comfortable material. It's also super duper short, so I'm pretty sure if I can lift my arms. Oh, I've got free reign of my arms. I can move my arms. My body's just very still. You know what? Once you get used to it and you've kind of warmed up with the material a little bit, it's not quite as stiff as it seems. I would never ever wear this anywhere, ever, ever, ever. And as soon as this comes off, I'm never putting it on again. But it is actually pretty comfortable. I'm getting kind of Liz Hurley in Austin Powers vibes. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? But yeah, me, PVC outfit, pretty much as extra as I think you could possibly go, one of these, no? Okay, so that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up for me if you did. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!